In this video, we shall discuss about identifying, rectifying skill gaps that are limiting your individual and personal growth. I am a working pharmacist, holistic wellness coach, worked in different industries over 20 years. I have my own set of skills and experience which is helpful for people who are in business industry, which helps them balance and understand professional and personal lives, how to balance them and be successful. There are more videos in my business related topics playlist. You can watch them. There is a lot of useful information. You can contact me personally if you want to discuss further. I'm sure you will like the video who are in business field and other videos also. Please do like, share, subscribe, and show the videos to those people whom you feel the videos are useful. Going back to the today's topic, recently a person with a 4 years experience in our competitor chain of pharmacy stores, he came to our store with 4 years of experience, but I am surprised to see that he does not know how to use the keyboard also, and he is wasting a lot of time in typing the medications, searching about them, and it cannot help you in the long run if you are very poor in the keyboard skills. I type at 75 to 80 words per minute for speed. So as I think, when I discuss with the customers what is the problem they are facing, any issue, health issue they are saying. So at the same time I listen and I type the needed medication, what they need, and ask my colleagues to get the medication from the mentioned box. So like that, in two systems I search the medications and everything, do billing, everything. So such in that way I am able to handle more customers at a time, 4 to 10 customers at a time, because I have the typing skill and keyboard skill and using the interface of our medications. I am able to handle the multiple customers and grow the business. This I am saying as an example. So in whatever field you are, if you learn what are the skills needed, and if you are a business owner, if you train your employees to learn and understand and improve their skills, it will improve your business and it will help you the person individually to grow in their particular field, respective field. Identifying what are the skills needed for your respective position, like if you are in a supervisor position or manager position, you need to coordinate and understand and deal with multiple. So when you are in management positions, understanding the functioning of basic tools like Zoom, conducting meetings, WhatsApp, understanding charts, reports, generating them, using Excel sheets. There is a lot of information in the reports which generate daily, physically, and in the groups which are shared by our supervisors and managers. There are many things we can learn from them. Many people have language issues. What I mean is, uh, when we are doing business, for example, in the area where my store is located, medical store, there are many hostels where students and parents come across from different areas of the state and other states also, and even due to a lot of construction activity, there are many workers of different languages, Hindi and other languages, who come from across different regions. So many local medical stores, they cannot since my competitor stores are local area stores, where they don't understand the other languages. They just send these people, but I am able to communicate with them properly and understand their need and give medicines for them. So in that way also my business increased a lot. Even my other stores of my same company, they are not bothered about, of course they don't have that skill of understanding other language, and they are not even bothered about that, many people. So they just lose business. When I went there for different stocks, I observed that so a lot of business is lost in that way. Building basic language skills also helps improve your skill. It's the same with any other store situation. Our company and our competitor company provide training about platform software, basic medications, all those things. But the duration of the time is 1 week to 1 month, and they recruit people from different fields. They don't know anything. Some people don't know anything. Some people are very experienced, and all these things when they are taught at a time, at a stretch, they just it goes away out of mind. Few people only grasp it. Because of this unable to learn fast, grasp them. Some people are non-biological background, non-medical background. So some people when go away, leave the company. Some people just they are unable to catch it. So it is better first to conduct instead of full day, they can schedule it over three months time, like 4 hours a day, at least first 1 or 2 weeks full time, and afterwards 4 hours a day, 4 to 5 hours a day. It's better, because once they come into the store and understand, when they start dealing with the customers and the audit process, all these things, so they can, new people can understand better. In today's world there is no job security, so we have to keep observing what are the other opportunities, what are the things which we can learn within our organization, so that in case there is any need, we can shift to that, or do both the jobs, such that we can increase the income, or if there is any threat to our present job, we can shift into that another profession. So it is helpful always to be vigilant and observant, and just see which we can learn, which may help us in our career. This may increase our salary also, or career position also. What all these things what I'm mentioning is like they take time, time and energy and focus. So they cannot be learned in within 1 day or 2 days or few months. So when you are aware of all these things, when you have time, you can utilize the time. Many people don't understand these things, and they just waste their time, or unable to utilize it more efficiently. So if you are more aware of this, your management will, they can guide their team to help them build their skills, which will help the company and their personal growth also, employees growth also. There are many skills which we can understand and learn from other people within our company, or within from other fields, or other areas like geopolitics. When you are able to understand how countries are doing business, or doing counter and related activities to protect them and improve them, business related or geopolitics related. So from that I grasp some ideas and try to implement myself in my related relevant field with points which are useful. So based on your situation and your interest, you can grasp some points from around you, from other industries, from competitor, from other people whom you feel they are successful, about what things we should do and we should not do, from people who have failed. In today's corporate world, everything is about working more hours, getting more productive. In this situation, like people are facing uh, lifestyle issues like back pains, obesity, sinus problems, health issues, PCOD. Women are facing PCOD issues. So many eye issues. So always, whether you are in a small position or big position, this definitely you will face these issues. So uh, focus on those things, because if they become big problem, it will it will a lot of money and it will your time and your affect your growth, your business and your job also. So focus on your health, take nutritious food, keep do some exercise, walking, like that. Maintain some balance between professional and personal life. Learn to communicate with the customers, understand their problem, or what are the relevant issues. First, you should have knowledge. Like if the person is having vomiting, it may be not just vomiting, it may be due to gas problem, and he is having only vomiting or motions. So you have to just understand that if the person comes for a cough, he is having cold also, headache also. So in that way, you are able to solve the person's customer's problem, and you are able to increase your business also. And one more thing is how to deal with errant customers. Some people they just unnecessary time waste. So how to handle that? You have to develop yourself, and you have to train your staff also how to deal with them politely only. There are different methods. So I'm saying in brief here. Maintaining good grooming, good attitude, good attire, neatness, that also uh, improves your business. Customers have good positive impact. So people would like to deal with such type of people in any business. Many employees are not groomed or trained on these aspects. So at least minimum maintenance, it would help them in their career and in the business also. There are many ways to improve, methods to improve your skills. First, understanding what is your need, and what are the resources available. YouTube, or I download some videos, and in my traveling time I listen them. Some entertainment, some useful relevant videos which I follow regularly, which are useful. Some income related, some spiritual, some entertainment, everything. So you can utilize your time in the traveling time or in the break time. It will help you in the long run, help you manage your time better, will become more efficient. You can increase your business sales by local marketing, social media marketing. There are many ways which companies are just losing their business. There are relevant videos related to local marketing where some companies are losing in my playlist. You can watch that. If you find your income is not able to meet your needs in the current job, you can try some other skills where you can earn some extra money, like babysitting old people, local people, building, getting vegetables nearby people. You can work in Rapido, Zepto in your free time, Zomato. Build your digital skills, learn digital marketing skills, content writing skills, blogging skills, or invest in small business additional income. You can invest in other industries or other countries also, like Dubai. There are many opportunities which people don't know, which I came to know recently. Learning to do multitasking also helps you catch up your potential. So you have to understand to what extent you can stretch yourself, not over stress. Building your leadership skills, communication skills, building your network, it will help you as a person and as a business in the long run. Definitely you have to keep focus on these in these aspects also. When you keep understanding dealing with customers, you and know about your business, you will know how to cross sell upscale, which is useful for the customer and for you also. So that you have to improve that knowledge. So that's in brief in this video. So I hope you like this video. If you watch to this time, so please do subscribe, comment, and share to those people whom you feel the videos are useful, and do watch the other videos in the business related playlist. And you can contact me if you would like to discuss with me. I'm a holistic wellness coach with experience of 20 years in different fields. I wish you all the best in your career, and happy balanced life in your professional and personal and professional life. Thank you.